Hello, how are you? Today I am going to be testing out and showing you how to use this device here. It's a cleansing device. It's cleansing, moisturizing, and lifting. Today I'm just going to show you how to use it as a cleansing. Okay. I bought this device that came with uh, the spray thingy, and I bought it with the suction, the little vacuum too. So I came like three and one kits. This is good to have because you're gonna need to have your skin moist to use this device. And I heat up some water and I put in here, as you can see. So it comes out a hot water because you want to open your pores. Okay, you turn it on. Okay, you want to go to the first. Okay, so it starts vibrating. Can you guys see the dirt? It gets nasty. My face is not that dirty because I've been using this, so you know, soon I'm gonna give my review on it. So far, I'm liking it. It's doing what I want, which is doing a deep cleaning. In the description, I'm gonna give you the name of this device. It says shoveling and device, so scraper, whatever. But this is a really so how you use this. Like this, you could use it like this. Okay, or you could use it downward because you want to do a deep cleaning. Okay, Jesus, it does a really deep cleaning. So how are you gonna use this? You're gonna go like this. Okay, then you're gonna get your nose and you're gonna go like this. You wanna clean everywhere, especially if you have a lot of blackheads. Gonna go like this. Then you're gonna go like this. Okay. Then you're gonna go like this. Okay. Then you're gonna go down because you want to do a really deep cleaning. Okay, then here, okay, then all over your where I mostly clean here because that's where I have open pores and really dirty right here. This is the area I clean. I mean, some people do their whole face. So like I said, this is a really good device. It's worth buying as far as cleaning. And you're gonna clean up your, you know, if you feel dirty, if you're really dirty, it's really gonna do a deep cleaning. It's gonna do a deep cleaning. So far I'm liking it. I'm gonna give my review, my final review after using several times and see if it's taking all that deep pore, that deep dirt in my pores. And so far I'm liking it. The next video I'm gonna show how it moisturizes your skin and then do the lifting. So please stay tuned. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.